Today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on manage down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You go above your photo profile, click on it. You come to next step here, then you click on notification settings. So you come to next step here, click here on your name. So then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to tips for promoting site. Click in this sign or this color. So then here can you disable it. I'm going to click here. Like you see, it's disabled with us now. So like you see, tips for promotion site disabled with us now. That's all I wish know you I give it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.